Si Coach Gani mula sa Kasilawan Taekwondo Club kasama ang kanyang beautiful wife. Isa ring Taekwondo coach si Coach Bella. At ngayon po ay makakamusta natin siya ngayon at of course si Coach Bella about sa recent competitions niya dun sa Korea at sa Thailand recently, and what are the assessment nga pala dito sa competition. So good afternoon and welcome to Sports Corner.
Good afternoon, Sir Gab. Thank you for having us.
Okay, Coach Gani, unahin kita. How busy are you right now? Dahil ongoing na yun ang ating PTA Best of the Best Taekwondo Championships. Meron ba kayong pinadala ng mga competitors galing sa inyong Taekwondo club sa ngayon?
Yes, Sir Gab. We have 3 athletes who competed earlier. So, nakakuha na tayo ng medalya. We got 2 bronze medal and 1 silver sa ating team. So, good naman, no? 3 out of 3 yung medal natin.
Pero meron pang mga kasunod pa from Pumse, no? Next tomorrow?
Right now, wala. We only have 3 best athletes who competed today. So, konti lang yung pinasali namin this competition.
Okay, so babalikan natin yung recent competitions ninyo sa Korea at saka sa Thailand dahil dati inimbitahan kita before for the interview sa DWIC about doon sa opinion mo doon sa recent viral incident ng yun sa Taekwondo girl. Kamusta na ang naging assessment ninyo doon sa dalawang competitions na nagdaan, of course sa Korea and of course sa Thailand, at mukhang magiging moral boosting talaga yung ating mga members dahil ngayon lang naranasan na mag-compete nila internationally this year. Unahin natin si Coach Gani.
Tama po, no? So, very nakakaangat talaga ng moral, no? Lalo na sa mga bata na nag-i-start, no, sa international scene sa Taekwondo, no? So, yung start with the Korea, no? So, the Korea experience sa athletes natin, no, is good exposure international, no? Lalo na sa mga aspiring national team who wants to represent the country, no? So, it's a cultural event, no? With different countries competing in the event, no? So, mostly mga taga South America yung mga nandun na nakabattle namin. So, also Asia and South America ang halos nandun. So, good naman yung resulta natin from our team. So, I think we had 8 golds. We had 8 golds. I don't remember, but we had a good experience.
And then sa Thailand naman, sir?
Sa Thailand, same din, ganun din, no? High-level competition, no? Napaka-challenging nung competition, no? And of course, sa amin din, on our side as coaches, no, we also competed, no? Unfortunately, no, I did not get the gold.
Dahil na-injury ka before, naalala ko eh.
MCL tayo, but now wala na tayong praise. So, we are good, and my wife won the gold medal, and she was awarded as best athlete in Pumse, si Coach Bella.
Okay, Coach Bella, alam ko galing ka sa panganganak o yung first baby, and mukhang bumalik na yung dati mong lakas at sigla mo doon sa Taekwondo. At jackpot, naka-gold medal ka at naka-best player, female player pa Pumse sa Thailand. How was your experience? And of course, parang nanumbalik ba talaga yung dating forma mo? Unti-unti, coming from your recent pregnancy.
Okay. First of all, I would like to say that like opportunities competing in Thailand, Korea, I think this is a very humbling experience. Not only as an athlete, but as a coach then, because we get to learn insides and outsides of how the game is, and how can we guide our students more to drive them and to be not just a good athlete but also a good person.
Pero nakikita natin na maganda ang potential ng inyong mga bata. At nandun din yung isa sa mga Taekwondo legends na nagsilbing delegation head for the competition sa Korea. In particular, si Sir Monsur de Rosario, ang ating Buhawi Jack ng Pilipinas Cinema. Mukhang na-thrill sila dahil of course makakasama nila of course ang kanilang adventure na si Sir Monsur.
Yes, actually, with the guidance of Sir Monsur, no, with his experience and his passion, not only as a legend in Taekwondo, but also as a father. We see his heart and his dedication to not only his daughter but also to the team. And we hope to learn more and get as much as support as we can, especially from Sir Monsor.
And nabanggit ko kanina, Sir Gani, yung anak ni Sir Monsor is also a gold medalist, di ba?
Yes.
Sa Korea, no? At
Yeah.
parang sumusunod talaga sa yapak niya itong anak niya, si Isabela, no?
Yeah, Isabela Pedrasan.
At nakikita.
Ngayon, hindi lang siya nag-compete ngayon, so she's preparing for something.
And of course, what's next for Kasilawan? Of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung training class program, rain or shine. Even though ilang beses kayo na na-postpone dahil of course, naranasan natin sa bagyong Enteng, Abagat. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung training program ng mga bata. At meron ba kayong mga nakalinya na competitions na maasahan natin?
Right now sa team, we are preparing for NCAA kasi most of the athletes ng mga seniors doon are from NCAA, no?
In particular, anong schools?
Basta Green Hills because I'm one of the part of coaches in LSGH. And then, of course, PSC, Philippine Sport Commission, Batang Pinoy, we are preparing for that. We will be having our tryout on Tuesday for Makati team. So that's our next big event coming, NCAA and Batang Pinoy Nationals that will be held in Palawan, Puerto Princesa.
Personally, sa Masters kayo, ano ba ang susunod niyong mga competitions upang ma-relate naman, ma-inspire naman yung mga bata ninyo, mga students ninyo sa Kasilawan?
Sa Masters, siguro we'll think about it if we can join CPJ. But right now, in my condition, I need to...
Unahin muna yung rehabilitation.
Yeah, rehabilitate.
Ilang buwan magtatagal yon?
Siguro mga 3 months, no, to rehabilitate and then strengthen conditioning, no. We'll talk if I can compete again international for Masters in Kurogi. We'll see. And then for Coach Bella, I hope she can come back, no. So, sobrang hirap ng adjustment niya from pregnancy. So, daming kailangan tignan, no. Kasi iba ang physical abilities ng mga bagong pregnant, no. So, yan.
Ikaw naman, Coach Bella, nakaginto ka na. What's next for you?
Siguro, we'll just see what opportunity comes. But hopefully, more opportunities, meaning more blessings para sa amin. So, whatever comes, let's see.
Okay, so we ran out of time at gusto natin magpasalamat sa inyong dalawa for joining us sa ating interview. May gusto kayong pasalamatan. Of course, imbitahan niyo sila sa inyong Taekwondo Club dyan sa Makati. And of course, congratulations sa mga recent achievements ninyo dyan sa Kasilawan. So, please, go ahead. Ulayin natin si Coach Gianni.
Thank you, Sir Gab and Sports
Corner PH.
Sports Corner PH for having us today. Thank you very much. And of course, those who are living in Makati, Taguig area, you are welcome to visit our gym in Kasilawan Taekwondo. So we are located in Yagi Street in Catalan Fighting System. So if you want to train Taekwondo and learn from us, from Kurogi and Kusen, you can message us on our Facebook.
Thank you,
Thank
Coach
you very
Gianni. Si Coach Bella naman at pasasalamat at siguro payo na rin sa mga kapwa ring mga galing sa panganganak. Bumalik na sa sports, syempre. Pero pasalamatan mo muna mga taong tumulong sa'yo.
Yes, thank you. First of all, I would like to thank syempre si Lord because without Him, I would not be here in the first place. No, and I would also like to thank KGC, especially the support from Coach Danny Domingo. His support would not be, his support is very, very appreciated, and he's willing to help anyone who is willing to be helped. Ganon. So,
And of course, payo na rin.
Of course, the Sports Corner PH, Sir Gab, of course. Thank you for this opportunity.
And of course, yung payo na rin sa mga sports mommies out there.
Yes, and of course, sports mommies, if you are willing to, get back into shape, get that drive, we're always here to help you, and we're always here to support you.
Again, Coach Gani, Coach Bella, thank you so much for joining us. And see you soon. And nice to meet you, syempre. Thank you.